which all mountains will be there in the northern side, and Himalaya, Himadri, Shivalik, these are all mountains we studied about that, and which all regions we have, and we studied about which all parts we have, how they are classified, what is the occupation in that land, and we studied about the importance of Himalaya. We studied everything. Yes, that is interesting, now children. That will be the too interesting. So we'll continue with the exercise today. Exercise means revision of whole chapter. We'll revise it once again and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, before we start with the next one, we'll start with a short prayer without forgetting our prayer. Okay, all of you close your eyes, repeat after me. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बो फलसारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay. Now we start with our exercise, children. All of you open. We are doing which chapter? Northern Plains. What? Northern Mountains. We are doing what, children? Northern Mountains. After mountains, we will go to the plains. Okay. Exercise. Okay. The first one. Write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. They given us some of the statements there. We have to just write a 2 for the true, T for the true statement, F for the false statement. You all know that how to write. Yes, now you all are clever children. Yes. And you all are sitting at home and becoming more clever now. Yes, now children. So what you have to do, children, what all things we are teaching you, that read it carefully, complete that carefully in your classwork, okay, and watch full video because teachers are giving the homework in the video itself. In the last, they are mentioning you the homework, so they will not message you afterwards, so they are mentioning in the video only. So please watch full video, children. Okay, we'll start with our exercise. The first one, write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. River Ganga starts from the glaciers named Gangotri. Yes, it starts from the name Gangotri. Amen. First one, true. Second one, Mount Everest is the second highest peak of Himalaya. No, it is the first highest peak of Himalaya. Mount Everest is the first highest peak of Himalaya. The Shivalik ranges are covered with the forest. The Shivalik ranges are covered with a what? So much of forest it is. There we can see the wild animals also. Yes, T. True. Next one. Among other animals, zebras are also found in Himalayan forest. Zebras are not available in the forest, Himalayan forest. They can't survive themselves. We can't see what? Zebras there. Rivers bring downslide and makes the northern plains fertile. Yes, true. It comes down and our northern plain mountains will be more fertile. Okay. Now B part. Fill in the blanks. The Himalayas extends from dash and dash in the north to the dash in the east. From where it starts and from where it goes down. I am writing it on the board. Please children copy it directly from in your fair notes. Okay, don't write it in your textbook. I want it in a fair notes book. These are things you have to write it in your fair notes book. That also with pencil. Don't use pens, children, because if you do mistake, then you can't erase it when you are using pens. So use pencil. It will make you to erase and write. Okay, write correct answers. Okay. Next one, I will write fill in the blanks. First answer, the Himalayas extends from which place? Jammu. It extends from the Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. And the one more the blank is they given, that is, and it goes to where? Arunachal Pradesh. It ends to the Arunachal village. Next one. The dash, second one. The dash river takes its birth from the glaciers Yamunotri. Yamunotri. What is that? Yamuna. Yes, Yamuna. That river is called as a what? Yamunotri flows again akiti Yamunotri akiti. Yamunotri. Yamuna. This dash, this one is a dash. Third one. The rains heavily in the dash of the Shivalik ranges. It rains heavily in the dash of the Shivalik what? Terai region. Terai. Next one. Fourth one. The next one. There is a no vegetation. There is a no vegetation in the dash region of Himalayas. There is a no vegetation in the dash of the Himalaya. Himadri. In the highest. Himadri will be what? Highest na? So, the highest mountain. Himadri. There we can't see any plantation. Yes. Dash is the main occupation of a people of the mountain region. What is the main occupation? Agriculture. They form a plantation. Agriculture they do. Agriculture. Okay. We wrote the fill in the blanks and true and false. Please copy these two in your classwork, children. We'll move on to the next one now. Okay. Okay. After that, answer the following questions. The next one is answer the following question. Name the three ranges of Himalayas. Name the three ranges of Himalaya. The three ranges are, which are the three ranges? Himadri, yes, Himachal and the Shivalik hills. There are the three ranges of Himalayas. I told you which are the three ranges. Okay. Now, next one. Name two peaks of Himalayan ranges located in India. Which are the two peaks of Himalayan ranges? Nanda Devi and Kanchenjunga are the two peaks of Himalayan ranges. These are the two peaks of Himalayan ranges. Name two rivers that takes their birth in the Himalayan mountains. Name two rivers that takes their birth in the Himalayan mountains. Ganga and Yamuna. Ganga becomes Gangotri, Yamuna becomes Yamunotri. Yes, these are the two rivers that flows in the world where Himalaya. Why are the Himalayan mountains important to our country? Why the Himalayan mountains are? It avoids us cold. Yes, I told you it avoids us to protect from the cold. So they are important. What is a glaciers? Glaciers means the block of ice which comes down and melts into the water. Melts into the what? Water and becomes a river. That is called as a glaciers. What are valleys? Valleys means are the low areas that are surrounded by the hills and mountains. Fully hills will be there, mountains will be there, and they are in the middle. That is called as a what, children? And small rivers will be flowing from that. That is called as a valleys. Which kind of orchards are commonly found in the Himalayan? Pears, yes, plum, apples are the three orchards we see in the Himalayan mountains. These are the three orchards which we see in the Himalayan mountains. Okay, we'll move on to the life skill now. Understood the question and answers, fill in the blanks and the true and false. We'll move on to the life skill now. Imagine you want to climb Mount Everest when you grow up. What preparation should you make to successfully climb the peak? Tick correct the choice. Okay. Get mountaineering training. Yes, you have to get that training. Without that training, we can't climb only because that have some courses. ಅವರೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಏನೇನು ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇದು ಇರಬೇಕು. Directly we can't become engineers now. We want to study for that. Like that here also. Eat healthy foods. Yes, we have to eat healthy food. Learn table tennis. No, we don't want table tennis for that. Edak ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ table tennis? ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ table tennis ಬೇಕಾ? No. Value for life. Mahim participated in a mountaineering trip and climbed the Nanda Devi, but he and his team mates littered the hills slopes with the food wrappers, empty cans and plastic plates. What advice would you give and his group ಏನು advise ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ? Literally waste items around a place harms the environment. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಾತ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಾತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಲಸಾತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದೇನು ಆಕೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. So he did wrong job there. He did not do the correct thing. According to the scientific survey, plastic waste not only kills the plants, it harms the vegetables also. It harms the land also. And it is our duty to keep our environment clean and green. Hence, Mahim and his group should dispose their food things, what all plastic things, what all things are there, they have to dispose that. Do not throw it. Okay? Understood? Next, thoughts. Can the ice on the Himalayas ever melt? Find out how pollution is affecting the Himalayan ice. Find out that. Okay? Read it and find out that. Project work for you. Mount Everest. Find out more about the Mount Everest. Find out using the YouTube. The highest peak in the world. Create a PowerPoint presentation on the following. Here we are using computers. So what you have to do? You have to copy the mountains pictures from the Google and make a PowerPoint, the presentation on that. You all know how to use the PPT? Yes? How to make the PPT? Okay, do it and do that. Okay, this is a project work for you. How did the Mount Everest get its name? First you have to make. And where is the Mount Everest located? Where it is located, you have to write about it. Who were the first people to climb Mount Everest? That you have to write, and year, who is that person, about him we have to write. How many people have successfully climbed the peak so far? How many of them are Indians? ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಹತ್ಯಾರ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್? ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ children, understood now? We did these all things today. What you have to do, you have to complete these all, copy these all things in your fair notes, and question and answers I will send you the images. Okay, don't worry about it. And life skill, value for life, project work. Main thing, project work. Please do it, children. No one children are sending me the project work. So many project works are there in your class work, in your textbook. No one is doing. In the previous class also, they given a map. They told to use the color pencils and draw it and draw the places of our India. But no one did that. No one sent me the images of that. Why you all are not interested doing that? Coloring also you are not interested. What you are doing at home, children? You all are free now. You all are sitting at home. Aram say you all are sitting. Yes. What teachers will tell now, please do it and send us. Then only teachers can identify and they can know that children are interested on that topic. Okay. Please do it, children. Okay. Today we completed almost 2 chapters. Okay. Complete these all things, and I want full complete question and answers. Everything will be completed, and I want fair notes. Okay, please complete it. Okay, we'll do the next part in the next class, children. These all things will be only what we are doing, the regions, different regions. Okay, 6 regions we have. About that only the chapters will be. That will be more interesting, and the more things will be about to learn. Okay, and if you want the information, the further information on these all mountains and plains, please go to the YouTube, write that name, and you will get so many videos on that, so many information on that, and read it and grasp it. Don't use mobiles for unnecessary works. Use it for your academics. Okay, okay children, homework also you understood. Copy these all things, complete this classwork and send me. Okay, we'll see you in the next class, children. Complete these all things. We'll meet you in the next class, children. Bye.